Video 805, let's fucking go. All right, so in data by system, we have the mutable data for FRABUCK, the fractal fill system. We have some monkey wrench macros here, and we have buffer index, of which there are two, converted to RGBA 512, a 512 by 512 chunk of pixel memory. It's null because we're going to steal it from somewhere else. Okay, buffer access structs. This is a reusable struct for putting tile size, layer, and GTX and GTY into a buffer of a certain length. This is the length, not the capacity. How many usable elements are already in this buffer? Then we need to get that data out eventually. So here's our reusable struct for getting data out, the buffer we want to get data from, the pixel index where we want to retrieve the data, and then we're going to get out the data via this reusable struct. So when we use a function that uses this, it's going to return this object here that's going to give us the tile size, layer, GTX, and GTY. All this information is going to be encoded in one pixel. Okay, FRABUCK section, double buffer section. Here is our reusable helper function that's going to use this reusable struct here, and we haven't done anything here, right? Just stubbed it in. Here is our getter function that's going to get stuff out of our double buffer, specify where we want to get it from, and then this is the output object, the output parameter. Nothing done here yet, just stubbing it in. Here's our fill function, and if we scroll down into our fill function, Pirates of Memory Bay. Here we are, stealing our memory. Miscellaneous pixels 0 and 1, we're going to steal that memory for our own purposes, and this is way too fucking long. So we're going to shorten these reusable references to these. We're going to use these because this is fucking too long. Okay, and more code is going to go here in another video. We're going to keep on throwing an error at the end until we're confident that we're done. Okay, this is our wrapper function fillWin that uses that top level fill function, but it's for filling a glass panel into the level data. So let's scroll down here. Okay, so right here, this is the 32 bits that we want to set into the tile map, and this is the right area mask that tells us which of those 32 bits actually matter. We're going to take the glass panel enumeration and the red, green, blue of the glass panel and bit pack it into 32 bits using this helper function, and then here's our buck 32 bits, and the right area mask is going to be this constant right area mask stained on bombs, and we're out of fucking time, and we covered it all. Fuck, stop.